Karen Nyamu has hinted on having another baby, akiuga atĩ nĩarenda kangĩ nĩguo gakorwo ge ka mũico nĩgetha ahinge chapter ĩyo ya kũgĩa ciana. And she shared this news akiuga kũgerera Instagram yake akĩarĩrĩria kana gake ka mũico, the youngest kid with Samido, where she had shared a video of the girl spending time with possibly her nanny, her house manager. Akiuga having a baby in your home is life's biggest blessing. I need one last one, nifunge mchezo, with some laughing emoji with a winking emoji hau. Na nĩ ũndũ watiga mafans ake makenete nĩkĩo kũmaumbũrĩra ndeto ici tondũ she actually sounds serious, no akorwo nĩ ma she needs one last baby na mũno mũno makenda ĩkorwo with Samido. But let's wait and see if she's serious about it. Tungoja tuone if she'll have one last one. Nake Wangeci wa Kariuki nĩonanĩtie kĩeha gĩake regarding the death and killing of Gladys Chania's husband. Kũrĩa rĩu Gladys Chania nĩwe the lead suspect, nĩwe ũnyitĩtwo eta suspect in her own husband's murder. Nake Wangeci wa Kariuki akaheana her own opinion akiuga ke kwanza she can never entertain a side chick kana a side man, whichever the case, ikorwo nĩ mũtumia cheat on her husband kana mũtumia kana mũthuri cheat on the wife, she can never tolerate that. Na akauga nginya arata ake nĩ moĩ, they know to never bring those side pieces around her tondũ it is something she can never tolerate, it's something she can never stand. Na akauga ĩno nĩ ndũmĩrĩri arakorirwo akĩrekereria akiuga, I was very disturbed by Gladys Chania's case, and since the case is in court, let the law take its course, and I totally condemn killing in all aspects. No one deserves to die. The part that caught my eyes is when friends were used to reach out to Chania by the other woman, yani marafiki wako wanajua shida yako na wako tu. There is one thing I don't entertain, and all my family, friends know I don't entertain side plates in my presence. Either mkuja na bibi yako, ama bwana yako, ama peke yako. Kwani what are friends for? I will not tell the other half, but I will make sure tumeongea. And if you're a second wife, insist to meet the first wife of the man if the man has decided to marry both of you. It's good to put the first wife in the know. Wewe, what do you do when you are in a function and a family friend comes with a side chick? Wangeci wa Kariuki augite in her opinion, she can never entertain a side piece, whatever the case. Ikorwo nĩ mũthuri cheat on the wife kana mũtumia cheat on the husband, she can never entertain them. Na ndakanetĩkĩra arata ake to bring those side chicks and side pieces in her presence. Nĩ ũndũ it's something she highly discourages. Na encourage mũno for partners to let their other halves know whenever they are seeing other people. No ũcio nĩguo woni wa Wangeci wa Kariuki in regarding the murder of Gladys Chania's husband. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe, never miss an update on the latest Kikuyu celebrity news. Subscribe now for the latest and trending gossip.